Top 6 Best Chest Freezer 2020. Top 1. Midea MRC070S OAWW Chest Freezer, 7.0 cubic feet, white. Mechanical control with adjustable thermostat from -12 to -28 degrees, great for storing frozen food, ice cream, ice, etc. Contains one hanging wire storage basket. Hinge-style door remains open from 45 to 75 degree angles. External product dimensions, 32, 1x21, 7x33, 5-inch, full 1 year, compressor 2 year. Top 2. Northair Compact Chest Freezer 3.5 cubic feet freestanding top door freezer 6.8 to -4. With 2 removable baskets, 7 temperature 7 defrost water drain, power saving. 3.5 CUFT capacity 3.5 CUFT compact freezer chest is big enough to hold amount of food. Product dimension, 21.18 x 21.77 30.94 inch, good for limited spaces, it's light and easy to move. A bottom drain makes defrosting easy. It will be shipped from CA or NC. Adjustable. Top 3. 5.0 cubic feet chest freezer with removable basket, from 6.8 to -4. Freestanding compact fridge freezer for home, kitchen, office, bar wide. Chest freezer dimensions, 5.0 cubic feet freestanding chest freezer, measures, 23.2 x 29.7 x 36.8 inch. Compact freezer is saving space design. Large capacity is great, using for breast milk, meat, aquatic products, cold drinks, quick freezing and other purposes. Adjustable thermostat control. Adjustable thermostat makes temperature management simple. Top 4. 3.5 cubic feet chest freezer with removable basket, from 6.8 to -4. Freestanding compact fridge freezer for home, kitchen, office, bar wide. Chest freezer dimensions, 3.5 cubic feet freestanding chest freezer, measures, 21.18 inches, W, 21.77, D, 30.94, H. Compact freezer is saving space design. Large capacity, is great using for breast milk, meat, aquatic products, cold drinks, quick freezing and other purposes. Adjustable thermostat control. Top 5. Commercial chest freezer, Kitma 9.6 cubic feet deep ice cream freezer with 2 storage baskets, adjustable thermostat, lock, rollers, white. 9.6 cubic feet capacity size, 40.5 26.5 32.5, 9.6 QFT chest freezer has a 1-year warranty, and it is perfect for your large storage needs. 2 interior baskets thanks to the removable baskets, which helps you organize the interior and better merchandise your frozen foods, such as ice cream, sandwiches, and burger patties or other smaller items. Top 6. Commercial top chest freezer, Kitma 15.9 cubic feet deep ice cream freezer with 2 storage baskets, adjustable thermostat, lock, rollers, white. Quality warranty. Our products are all certified in the United States. We provide 24 hours, 7 days customer service and 1 year's prompt responses on-site services including parts labor. When your product has broken, we will perform maintenance staff on-site service within 48 hours. Make sure every item we sold is integral and have good working condition. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.